Here is the battery pack. This is 7S15P total cells 105 in entire battery pack. It is 20 ampere hour battery equivalent to 667 watt hour. Fully charged 29.4, nominal is 25.9 and cutoff is 20 to 21 volt plus minus. So here I want to show you something. This is terminal block. It helps a lot if want to test the each cell voltage from the outside externally. Easy can test. So here is the active balancer. That is a transformer based 10 amp active balancer, which is very good. And here is the BMS 25 amp BMS, and everything is perfect. Let's check the fitting inside in the box. That's a simple toolbox. Looks perfect. Perfect fitting inside. It's a straight 7S. Completely fit inside in this box. Perfectly fittings come inside. The battery is perfectly aligned. The double tape is down, so it cannot shake inside. We will use some packing inside also, but after completing the wiring and insulation inside. Everything is complete. I install the positive disconnect as a circuit breaker outside. So sometime if the BMS have troubleshooting, need to disconnect the load, so the positive can externally disconnect without opening up the entire system. And here is the safety breaker on the ground. This resistors for the LED, that 12 volt, two LEDs in series for 24 volt. Here is this all system. Inside have a fuses, BMS have protection, active balancer is working very well. So the final thing will be insulate, and here I install the outlets. Okay, this is the inverter on off. This is for the battery voltage and indicator on off. This is direct connected to the battery through the circuit breaker, and for the lights. So that is a simple one. Time to close and seal it. Cigarette lighter testing. Yes, perfect voltage. Testing the AC voltage. Okay, 227, 50 hertz. Battery voltmeter, battery indicator, DC lights. Off, everything is off. The test of our portable power station is complete. That was 24 volt 25 amp hour battery inside, which was 666 watt hour equivalent, and I use inside pure sine wave inverter 300 watt, which is continuous output with multi protection by controlled by microcontroller, very good one. So here everything is fine. The test is run very good. The voltage 25.8, still is enough battery here. Everything is work perfect. So that was our portable power station for emergency use. All functions working well, and it's time to shut down. Shut down. That was our portable power station. 666 watt hour 25 amp battery pack with 300 watt pure sine wave inverter.